What the heart is. The fundamental functions of the human heart, according to biology, are blood circulation and purification. It is an organ that is located between our lungs. It has 4 chambers, which help it carry out this task as effectively as possible. Heart is a metaphor for the majority of feelings and sentiments. The emotions are thought to be formed from the heart, in contrast to our logical thinking, and are more predisposed towards humane sentiments like love, affection, kindness, etc. What the mind is. A set of cognitive abilities comprising consciousness, perception, thinking, judgment, language, and memory are collectively referred to as the mind. It is typically described as the capacity for an entity's consciousness and thought. As a result, it possesses the power of recognition, admiration, and creativity. It is also in charge of how our feelings and emotions are processed, which influences our attitudes and behaviors. Our brain is often referred to as our mind in everyday speech. In a biological sense, our brain functions similarly to our heart as the main control system of our body. With its millions of neurons working together, it is the primary organ in charge of properly managing all of our physiological systems and producing the best responses to both our physical and emotional reactions. Heart and mind are 2 different things. Figuratively speaking, the mind is thought to be primarily associated with analytical thought, whereas the heart is said to be associated with emotional feelings. While the mind's functions include cognitive ability, rational reasoning, and emotional thinking, the heart's primary role is to purify and distribute blood throughout the body. The heart is said to be connected to feelings of love, kindness, affection, and caring, whereas the mind is thought to be connected to mental abilities like logic, rationality, education, knowledge, memory, and judgment. While the mind is thought to be housed in our brain, the heart is the organ that lies between our lungs. Heart and mind are frequently discussed in our everyday correspondence.